What, Ratan? Seeing you after a long time. Ratan? Seeing you after a long time.
Yes, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Yes, what we have discussed last class?
Some factors affecting growth and development.
Growth and development.
Factors of
Principles of growth and development.
principles or characteristics of growth and development. Then what are the factors we have seen?
Ma'am, genetic factor, sex,
Hmm.
maternal
Environmental factors.
illness,
Hormonal factors.
hormonal factors, maternal
Intelligence
infection.
factors.
You have seen the prenatal factors also?
Yes,
Prenatal
ma'am.
factors, postnatal factors. Yes. Did we complete the postnatal factor yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed. What are the postnatal factors we have seen?
Low baby weight. Nutrition, childhood illness,
Nutrition and childhood.
Childhood illnesses, then what we have seen? Cultural influences, psychological factors, then
Socio-economic status,
due to
Climate.
climatic and season also there will be a effect in a growth and development. Then
cultural belief, hormonal changes.
okay, all those things. Anyone remind me evening or afternoon to send you the notes? Is that clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, today we will see the techniques how to assess the growth of a baby. Okay, not the adults, but the baby. How we will assess the growth of a baby? How you will check the weight in babies? Suppose the baby is 1 year old. How you will check the baby? Or soon after the birth of a baby, how you will check? How will check the height or weight or
Perimeter, ma'am. Used to perimeter.
yes, how you will check the weight of a baby?
Ma'am, first check
Like
with
in adult, see in
Ma'am,
adult
first-
you go and stand in a weighing machine, okay? Whereas in a small children's, can you make the child to stand on a weighing machine?
ma'am,
No,
first
No, ma'am.
wait mother, then only mother, then we only get know about child weight.
How you by checking the mother weight, how you will come to know the child weight? I am talking about the postnatal factors. Like after that, soon after the birth of a baby, how you will check the weight of a baby? Birth के बाद
First
baby का weight
mother
check
will-
किया जाता है या नहीं?
यस मैम, वो एक मशीन होता है बच्चे के, ये बोलो।
What machine? That is nothing but weighing machine. Okay, the weighing machine. You will make the baby to lie on that. Baby वहां पर खड़ा हो सकता है या सो के weight लिया जाता है?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, you will make the baby to lie on the weighing machine. Okay, and you will put the soon after the birth whether the baby will be wearing any dresses. No, right? In a bare body, you will make the baby to lie on the weighing machine. Then you will come to know it, the weight of a baby, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So after until unless the baby becomes little bigger and until unless the baby stands, we'll weight the baby in the same way. Okay, जब तक baby अपने आप से खड़े नहीं हो जाता है तब तक we'll weigh in the same machine. Baby को सुला के ही weight check किया जाता है. Okay. Then what are the things we will assess in a growth? Only weight check करने से पता चल जाएगा baby का growth is going on, growth is increasing, whether you will come to know, or what are the factors also you should keep in a consideration.
Height.
Yes, anyone? Height. Then height, weight. In small children, we check the chest circumference. Okay. What do you mean by chest circumference? The circumference of the chest. Okay. That also we measure in a children's height, weight, chest circumference, and BMI. Okay. What do you mean by BMI? Have you heard about BMI?
Ma'am, body mass index.
Body mass index.
Yes, body mass index. What it indicates? Why we do check the body mass index? क्यों check करना है? Yes. Don't know. According to the age, weight is appropriate not. To know that we do check the BMI. Understood? Suppose your age is 15. According to your age, your height and weight should be there. Yes, you know that there is a BMI chart. They will be placed in a hospital also. You have in your community also. BMI chart. According to the age, kitna height hona chahiye, kitna weight hona chahiye. That is what appropriate height and weight we will consider. That is what the BMI is. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll see the techniques. What are the techniques? How we will assess the growth? First one, we'll see the weight. How you will check the weight? As I said, as soon as the baby born, whether agar abhi suppose the baby is born with a 3 kg, whether the 3 kg will be till it become 1 year, utna hi weight rehta hai baby ka till 1 year.
No, ma'am. No.
No, ma'am.
In the first week, soon after the birth, agar birth ke time baby weight is 3 kg, after 10 days the weight may reduce. Okay, first it will reduce, then it will start increasing. Is that okay? 10% of the weight will be reduced during the first week of baby, soon after the delivery. Okay, after that it will gain the weight. Okay, why at first it will reduce the weight? क्यों first 1 week में the weight reduce होता है baby का? Just think.
मैम अलग environment.
Ma'am,
Yes, due
we
to
all
the
are
external
coming
environment, the
environment.
baby will be not adjusting to the environment, right? Because of that, baby का weight
Yes, ma'am.
first week में कम होता है, लेकिन after that, once it get adjust to the environment, then the weight will go on increasing. Is that okay? This is the way we check the weight. We will make the baby to lie in a weighing table and we will check the baby's weight. Okay, until unless the baby stand. Okay, then we will check the length and height. How you will check the length and the height? Baby तो खड़े भी नहीं हो सकता. How you will check the length and height? Yes, anyone? Any idea how we will check? Yes, Ratan?
Ma'am, used to
How you will
perimeter.
check the, huh? Through perimeter. What perimeter? Yes, tell me. A baby cannot stand, no? How you will check the length and the height of a baby? Through a measuring tape. Okay? Through a measuring tape, we will measure the baby's height from head to toe. Okay? From the head to toe, we check the height of a baby. Is that clear?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
how you will make the baby to lie in a supine position? Okay, in a supine position, you will make the baby to lie. Then you will start measuring the what? Height and as well as the length of a baby. Are you getting that?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
If you don't tell how I will come to know, I will be thinking that maybe my voice will be not audible to you people. You should answer, so only I can come to know. Yes, everyone unmute your videos. Why everyone is offing the videos and sitting?
Excuse me, ma'am. वो बेबी का जो हाइट मेजर करते हैं उसमें टो तक लेना होता है या हील तक लेना होता है? क्योंकि टो को थोड़ा आगे
what?
करेंगे तो बेबी का हाइट जो लेते हैं वो मेजरिंग टेप से, वो टो तक लेते हैं या हील तक? क्योंकि टो को थोड़ा आगे करेंगे वो तो थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा, फिर वो तो थोड़ा
यार
सामने जाता है ना टो।
अडल्ट का वो थोड़ा बड़ा हो सकता है, बट वेर एज इन अ चिल्ड्रन जस्ट न्यू बॉर्न बेबी का उतना बड़ा नहीं होता, यू टिल टो ओनली यू विल टेक द मेजरमेंट.
ओके मैम.
Okay, any other doubt? No? Okay, now we'll see the next is a BMI. How you will calculate BMI? How you will come to know इस age में इस बच्चों को इतना height and weight होना चाहिए? There should be some formula, right? नहीं तो कैसे body mass index you can calculate? Anyone know what is the formula is used for?
Ma'am, weight in kg and height in meter square.
Yes, weight in kg. You will write the weight of a baby, then you will write the height of a baby. You will multiply the height of the baby, then that will be the body mass index of a baby. Understood? The BMI is calculated weight in kgs by height in meter. That is, the height should be twice. Agar height of a baby is 11 centimeter, then you will multiply it. 2 times you will multiply, then that will be the what? BMI of a baby. Understood? The height in kg and weight in meters. Once you
Yes,
come back,
ma'am.
we will calculate
Yes,
the
ma'am.
BMI. Okay. Okay. Then whether the BMI goes on changing. Yes, no, as the growth and development takes place in a baby, the BMI also changes. Yes, according to the age, according to the food the baby takes, everything, the BMI goes on changing. Is it not?
Yes, ma'am.
Then in a newborn, in newborns, we do check height. First, we have seen the what? We have checked the weight, we have checked the length and the height, and we have calculated the BMI. Okay, then we will see the chest circumference or head circumference. Okay, first we will do the head circumference. How you will check the head circumference? क्यों head का measurement भी लेना जरूरी है? Have you ever seen hospital में head circumference baby का लेते हुए, measure करते हुए? Yes, anyone? Nobody have seen?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Why we do check the head circumference? क्यों ये देखना है कि soon after the birth, whether the baby's brain, the internal cranial systems has been developed everything or not. For that, to check that, we check the head circumference. Okay. From the frontal, from front till the, you will keep the measuring tape front here, then you'll circle and end here. Okay. That is the head circumference you take. And at birth, the baby's head circumference will be 35 centimeter. And as the baby's grows, age and month goes on, the baby's head will start growing. Okay. But to some extent, till 12 years, the baby's head will become a 52 centimeter. Okay. But at birth, the baby's head will be 35 centimeter. That is a normal head circumference of a baby. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose a baby
Yes,
having
ma'am.
hydrocephalus, you will come to know by the measuring the head. What do you mean by hydrocephalus? Water in a brain, right? If hydrocephalus ka baby paida hota hai, you will see the head will be big. You have seen, right? The baby born with a big head. Yes, by doing the head circumference, by measuring the head circumference, you will come to know that some defect in our brain. Yes, no, by seeing that, by measuring that, you will come to an conclusion of that. Okay, suppose at birth, if the baby's head circumference is 35 centimeter, if it is increased 1 centimeter in 2 weeks, 1 centimeter ही 2 weeks में बढ़ सकता है. ये नहीं कि all of a sudden 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, it won't grow. Okay, 1 centimeter in every 2 weeks, the head get increases. Okay, and
Yes,
the same
ma'am.
thing, how you will measure in the measuring tape, what we have, the same measuring tape, you will measure the head circumference. Got how you will measure the head circumference?
Ma'am,
Yes,
in
ma'am.
measuring tape.
Yes, in measuring tape. What about when it comes to a premature baby? Whether the head circumference will be same?
No.
No. It will be comparatively it will be less. Okay. And you have seen sutures in a brain. देखा है कभी brain जो छोटे बच्चे के head कैसा होता है? Have you ever seen?
Ma'am, soft.
Soft तो होता ही है. What else it will be? You have seen that here the pregma
Yes.
or the middle portion of the head, it will be very soft.
Yeah,
Why?
frontal, ma'am. Frontal
Yes,
रहता है.
And even in the frontal closure and the back side also. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you not
Yes,
seen?
ma'am.
देखा नहीं है गांव में तेल लगाते हैं. Why? That are those are called as closures. Okay. वो sutures, those are the sutures during the delivery. Okay, during the process of delivery, वो जो head होता है baby का, it gets shrinks. Okay, because see, can you think that 35 centimeters of a head should come out? No, because of that has been made. The sutures will close. वो shrink होता है during delivery, so that it will be easy to come outside. Okay, and soon after the birth, धीरे धीरे वो जो closure होता है, जो frontal edge होता है, it will come to an hardness. Okay, soon after the birth, till 2 months or 3 months, it will be very soft. Yes, you can feel the pulse there. Have you done
Yes,
ever?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
After
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
soon after that, it will get closure. और even soon after the birth also, अगर वहां पर अगर किसी को injury भी होता है, it will leads to a death also. Okay, because that will be very sensitive part, and it will be the opening will be there, so that slowly it has to be closed as the days goes on. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the frontal it will close within 12 to 18 months. Okay, till 12 to 18 months, it will be very soft and it will be very distinct. So you should be very careful while handling the small children. Yes, no? अगर कहीं पर भी गिरा दोगे तो the closure will open it off. Got it? That is nothing but frontal closure. Got the frontal closure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
we'll see how we will measure the chest circumference. Yes, from middle of the chest, how you will measure?
Ma'am,
From
in
the same
measure tape.
in same the measuring tape you will use. Then in babies, in newborn babies, how it will be? Head will be big or chest will be big?
Yes.
Ma'am, head big.
Yes, it will be head will be bigger than chest. Yes, at birth it will be at least 2 centimeter less than the head circumference. Okay, but as the baby grows on, head will be less and the chest will be more. Okay, so that is the main thing you will see. Soon after the birth, when you measure, agar head circumference is 35 centimeter, how the chest circumference, how much will be the chest circumference? Less than 2-3 centimeters.
ma'am.
Agar,
Ma'am, 20 centimeter.
83, ma'am.
yes, less than 2-3 centimeter will be the chest circumference. This is अगर तुम्हें किसी बेबी का चेक करना है, नॉर्मल बेबी का, these things if you keep in your mind, then you will come to know that yes, proper growth and development has taken place in that baby. Is that clear? So you have to remember the basic calculation on basic these things, how to check. Okay, is that clear? And how
Yes,
you will
ma'am.
check the chest circumference? From one end of a middle of your chest, you will keep middle of the chest of a baby, you will keep, and surrounding, and you will end with the where you have started, there only you have to end the. Okay, got the chest circumference? Then we'll give the mid-arm circumference. How you will check the mid-arm? After soon after the baby is born, every circumference has to be measured. Chest, height, weight, arm का भी circumference, सब का measurement होना चाहिए. Then only you will come to know. Either if there is any problem in that, can you see by seeing? Can you guess? No. By measuring only you will come to a conclusion, right? Is it not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So mid-arm circumference. What do you mean by mid-arm? Mid upper arm circumference. The hand, okay? The shoulders. You will measure the shoulders also. Why? Why you have to measure the mid-arm also? To see a malnutrition. Yes, if the baby is malnutrition or the baby is having any type of growth retardations or anything, you have seen, no, right? Is it malnutrition babies, the hand will be very thin compared to a normal baby. No, to know that we will measure that. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, these are the assessment or these are the techniques how you will check the growth of a baby. Okay, what are the techniques? You will check the height of a baby by making the baby to lie down on a weighing scale. Okay, then you will check the length and height, height of a baby. How? Through the measuring tape. Yes, from starting from the head
Yes,
to the
ma'am.
toe. Then what else
Head
you will check?
circumference.
Ma'am,
Head circumference,
Chest
starting from the
circumference.
forehead till yes. Then what will be the head circumference? 35 centimeter at birth. Okay. Then
yes, ma'am.
Then chest circumference.
Then chest circumference.
chest circumference you will measure. Then the head will be bigger than that of chest circumference will be
Less than.
lesser than
Less
that
than-
of head
Less
circumference.
than head.
The 2-3 centimeter will be lesser than that of head circumference. Okay. Then mid-arm per arm
Mid-arm
circumference.
circumference.
Okay.
Mid-arm,
ये सब कुछ
upper.
measurement. Yes, these are the things you will measure soon after the birth of a baby. Okay, till 6 months जब भी baby आएगा ये सब कुछ तुम्हें measure करना है. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by the eruption of teeth? When the babies get new starting of the teeth, at what age? कब baby का
6
teeth
months.
start होता है?
After 7
Yes.
months.
Ma'am, 6 months.
6 to 7 months of age, the baby starts growing. Whether the baby will get every time soon when the baby get the teeth, all pairs of the teeth will be grown or one teeth will be grown.
One teeth.
One.
One or pair? Till at what age the teeth will be growing? कब तक teeth होता रहेगा? Till what age you will be getting the teeth? Yes, you adults don't get the teeth at the adult age.
One teeth. Yes,
or
ma'am.
no?
25 eggs.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 18 or 25.
18 or 20. What 18 or 20? Months or years or what? Okay, the baby's teeth will grow
Ma'am,
till
yes.
the baby's teeth will grow till 15 months. Okay, it starts from 6 to 7 months of the age and till full sets will be grown up to 15 months. Okay, 15 months तक teeth growth होता रहेगा. उसके बाद again it will start falling. Yes, no, again it will start the.
Yes, ma'am.
There are two types of teeth. What are that?
Temporary
Two sets of
and
teeth.
permanent.
Temporary and permanent
Temporary.
teeth. The temporary teeth, yes, the temporary teeth starts from 6 to 7 months. Till 15 months, the temporary teeth will be growing. After that, after 15 months, the teeth will fall off and the permanent teeth will start. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
temporary teeth
Yes,
is
ma'am.
also known as milk teeth. Yes? Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is what that milk teeth. It will fall. It starts growing one by one, and it also falls by one. Okay, till from 2.5 years to 3 years, the teeth will start falling one by one. Okay, is that clear? What? How much
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the pair? How many sets of teeth you have, or how many sets of teeth a child will have? Temporary teeth. I said till 15 months temporary teeth grow hota rahega. How many sets will be there at the children in age of 3 years?
3 years.
3 years तक बेबी का कितना teeth?
Ma'am, 20.
हाँ?
20.
Yes, 20 teeth will be there. 20 is the temporary teeth. Okay, after that, once the permanent teeth starts, how many pairs will be there?
32.
32. How many teeth you have? The young adults. How many pairs of teeth you people have?
Ma'am, young adults, ma'am, 32.
अभी तुम लोग का कितना है? 32 है? Today you
नहीं, ma'am.
everyone count and tell me tomorrow. Okay. Is that clear? And what
Yes,
are the
ma'am.
parts we have in a teeth? How many sets? Do you have idea about that?
Inferior molar,
There are
premolar.
canine, molar, premolar.
Yes, premolar, molar, incanine and incisor. Sorry, canine and incisor. Okay, these are the 4 sets of teeth. Okay, at the age of 6 years, the baby starts. The first teeth will fall at 6 years. Okay, 6 साल होने के बाद ही बेबी का टीथ फॉल होना स्टार्ट होता है or not? The eruption of a permanent this one milk teeth will start at what age? 6 years of age. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay,
ma'am.
understood. Tomorrow we'll see infant, how the infant growth and development takes place, how you will check the infant's height and weight and growth, or what are the things are there, we will see, and what are the food you should give to an infant, we will see. Is that clear? These are the things newborn. I said you the stages of new baby, right? The ovum, all those things. We have seen yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was the introductions for all the newborns and neonate. And next we'll start with the next step is infant. After infant?
Infant, ma'am.
After infant. What is the next stage?
Toddler, ma'am.
Next, once we see the infant, toddler, we will see next same things will go on. Okay. Let's see what we have read today. Assessment of what we have seen today, techniques and the assessment of
Technique, assessment.
assessment of what?
Ma'am,
Plotting
weight,
of
Assessment of growth.
height,
Height,
head
weight,
or
chest circumference,
head
mid-arm
or chest
circumference.
circumference, mid-arm circumference, and newborn baby
Understood,
teeth.
everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, anyone remember me to give a notes, okay? Thing is, I forgot it off to give. So anyone, at least message me to give the, at least remind me to give the notes. Okay?
Okay,
rest
ma'am.
till tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.